If you own or run a business, there's a question you've probably asked yourself. Do I really need cybersecurity? Here's the honest answer. Yes. Cybersecurity isn't just for big corporations or tech companies. It's for any business that uses email, stores customer data, takes payments online, or simply connects to the internet. If that's you, and let's be honest, you're watching a video on YouTube, that's probably you, cybersecurity needs to be part of your strategy. The word cybersecurity gets thrown around a lot, but nobody ever explains it in a way that actually makes sense for businesses that don't specialize in tech. Cybersecurity, in simple terms, is how you protect your business from digital threats, things like ransomware, phishing, data breaches, and unauthorized access to your systems. These aren't abstract problems anymore. Attacks are happening every day to businesses of all sizes, small, medium, and enterprise. And recovering from an attack isn't just expensive, it can damage your reputation and even shut down operations. You might think, I'm a small company, why would anyone target me? The truth is, small and mid-sized businesses are actually more likely to be targeted because they have less mature controls in place, they're easier to compromise. They don't typically have the resources or policies in place to defend themselves, and attackers know that. All it takes is one weak password or one unpatched device, then they have an opening. This might sound overwhelming. The goal isn't to scare you. It's to help you see cybersecurity for what it really is, an essential part of doing business in the modern world. Just like you wouldn't leave your office unlocked overnight, you shouldn't leave your systems wide open online. Cyber threats aren't just an IT issue, they're a business risk. And protecting yourself isn't just about avoiding worst-case scenarios, it's about making your business more resilient. Protecting yourself isn't just using antivirus software or a firewall. It's a layered system of controls that includes a lot of various elements, including things like risk assessments to find weak points in your systems, network security to identify which users have access to what resources, endpoint protection on every device, real-time monitoring to detect suspicious activity, email filters and anti-phishing tools to protect your users, regular data backups, and most importantly, training your staff to recognize threats before they cause damage. Cybersecurity is part tools, part processes, and part human awareness. Each piece matters. Some businesses manage their cybersecurity in-house. Others work with companies that specialize in it. At HRCT, for example, we've spent over 30 years helping businesses build out cybersecurity strategies tailored to their industry and operations, whether that's healthcare, finance, manufacturing, government contracting, or anything else. Whether you do it internally or work with someone outside your company, the important thing is that you're doing something. I hope you learned something in this video. Feel free to click the links for other videos that we've made, like and subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you next time.